Today, we are going to explore a unique connection between two seemingly different worlds: mathematics and yoga. You might wonder, what do lines and angles have to do with yoga? Well, as we stretch, bend, and balance, our bodies form geometric shapes, lines, angles, and even symmetry. Let's dive into this beautiful blend of logic and movement. Now let's look at angles. Our body forms different types of angles in various asanas. In Phalakasana, observe the angle formed between the floor and the body, which is less than 90 degrees. That's an acute angle. Here comes Ardha Halasana. In Ardha Halasana, the angle formed between the upper body and the legs is exactly 90 degrees, forming a right angle. Next, the student forms Uttanpadasana, where the upper body and legs form an angle that is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, creating an obtuse angle. In Trikonasana, the angle formed between the two hands is a straight angle, which is exactly 180 degrees. Now here comes Chakrasana, where the backward bend causes the pelvis and thighs to open up, forming a reflex angle at the hip joint. In Dhanurasana, the arched back and lifted legs will form the outer curve of the circle that is 360 degrees, symbolizing a complete angle. In Vrikshasana, tree pose, the bent leg forms a 90-degree angle with the standing leg, creating a clear example of perpendicular lines. In this stretching pose, the hands and legs are positioned at equal distances from each other and never intersect, making it a perfect example of parallel lines. Through yoga, we don't just stretch our bodies, we stretch our minds. Maths teaches us structure and logic. Yoga teaches us balance and awareness. Together, they create harmony. So next time you strike a pose, remember you're also sketching geometry in motion. Thank you.